Okay, so this is regarding on the Rexis. Okay, let's see if you want to find the journals. Okay, this is the most popular one. This is the sign directs. Okay, just you write signdirect.com. Okay, and then you can find the journal that you want to find. Okay, if outside of UTMs, uh, for me I'm using a VPN. Okay, VPNs, so easy proxy. So just insert the username as well as password, similarly like your exit password. So we can find the journals. Okay. So another one is the scopus. Okay, similarly. Okay. So this one also familiar. Okay. So scopus will be linked to the sign directs. What else? To any publisher like Springer. Okay. Any journals. Okay. So you can use this scopus also. Just write the what journal, the title or the keywords here. Okay. And then you just click search. Okay. I think even for now I'm rarely use the Scopus and also Sign Direct, just using a Google Scholar. Okay, it's much easiest one. It's a very popular search engine to find the journal. Okay, and another one is the Web of Science. Okay, if you want to find the index journals, index in Web of Science. Okay, so you can use this Web of Science also. Okay. So this is another database, okay, or search engine that you can use, okay. But mostly recently I like to use this one, Google Scholars, okay, Google Scholars, okay. So just type the keywords and then you can find, okay. And another one, if you cannot download the journals, okay, you can go to Sign Direct, okay, and then you can uh, what is it send a message to the authors and you can ask them to send the full papers or full papers, okay, if you want that papers, because not all the journal is subscribed by UTMs, okay. Microsoft Academy also is another one popular search engine to determine the journals, okay. And this is SciFinder. Unfortunately, UTMs did not subscribe this one. This is my favorite search engine to find the journals, the company, the price of the what is it, chemicals, everything is there. If you want to find the structure of the components, okay, is something like everything is there. Sign Finder, okay. Uh, what else? Okay, if you use you all of you have a smartphone, right? So this is another apps that you can use, okay, if you want to read the journals, okay. Some is can be access, you can there's a full text also, and some is just you read the abstracts, okay. This is just my suggestion is you want to install this one also, is quite good in your handphones, okay. Intake open, okay. This one is for the open access, everybody can access the journals, okay. Even if you are outside of the UTM, you can access this journal, okay. So generally the author need to pay uh, the fees for the publication in the open access, okay. I think it's quite expensive also if you want if the journal want to be the open access, okay. And then Semantic Scholar is another one, and also Springer. This is all the popular one. And also we can search the journal by using EndNote. Okay, this is what we I will give some tutorial how to use the EndNotes. So for this uh, software, actually you can download through myutm.my. Okay, then you can download this software. Okay. Okay. So let's see for the EndNote. Okay. So what is the EndNote? Actually is the reference and full text organizer. Okay. So meaning that previously during my PhD, EndNote is still not available, so we have to manage and rearrange the reference manually. Okay, we have to check many times. Okay, according to the formats. Okay, the format and the align between reference in the text as well as in the list of reference. Everything we have to check. But after we have the EndNotes, is your work will become much easier. Okay, because it's automatically will update your reference. Okay, when you write the thesis or the journals. Okay, group reference. Okay, so meaning that by using EndNote also you can group your reference. Okay, for example, you want to study about the biomass, and then you want to study about the biofuel, so you can group based on the titles. We also can attach the PDF files here, okay, as a full text. Okay, later I will show you how to attach this PDF file or just download directly the full text, okay, from the website. Okay, and then a share reference, you can share with the other friends or your supervisor. Okay, as well as bibliography maker. Okay, so if you want to download the EndNotes, just go to ukm.my. Okay, and then you click this pusat perisian or the software center. Okay, so just click this one and then you go to this one is, I think after you click you can see this one. Okay, this is the new one. Okay, so just click this EndNote and then you can click any versions. This X9 is this one is a new one. Okay, the one that I use is, I think, is X7. Okay, but it doesn't matter, you can use all this version. Okay, but the new one is not X7, and then you just download and you can run the software. Okay, so is it all of you already download the EndNote? Can you go to my UTM?
Doctor, we can use other than EndNote, right? Like Mendeley.
Ya, betul. Okay. Later I will explain. The other software that you can use, if you look at here, where's actually is, yeah, yeah, this one. Let's make it. Just put here. Okay. So this is the other citation manager or the reference manager. Uh, Other than EndNotes. Okay, this is the popular ones. Okay, Mendeley, EasyBib, Zotero, ProQuest, BibDesk, Peppers. What is this? I forgot this symbol. But you can search in the website. Okay, mostly I like use EndNote, and also I've never used the other software because even last time I start with the EndNotes. Okay, if you use a Mendeley, just focus on one. Just use Mendeley. Okay, it's depending on your supervisor also. Sometimes your supervisor asks you to use the EndNote. Okay, even for me, I prefer EndNote because I'm using the EndNote, so it's easy for me to how to say, to revise. Okay, it automatically will be in my laptop, also in my EndNotes. Okay, so easy to update. Okay. So anyone use Mendeley? Is it all of you use Mendeley? It doesn't matter. It's almost similar. Dah ada yang download EndNote tak? Okay. Okay lah. I just give a lecture on the EndNotes. If you use another citation manager, is up to you. Okay. So once you install the EndNotes, okay, you can see this screen. Okay. So EndNote. Doctor, what just now you said? This one. EndNote. This one. EndNote. Okay. If you use Mendeley also, okay. Okay, so this is the screen, okay, for the endnotes. Okay, if you look at here, that on the left side is the reference organizer. Actually, you can grouping, you can make a group on the left side. Okay, all the how to say, your activity also will be there. If you want to find full text, you can see is you can find the full text or you cannot find the full text. So this is all the list of reference in the center. Okay. And the right side is the reference information. If you look at here, that this upper side, okay, you can see if your reference is have a full text or not. Generally, if you click this one, attach file, is there's a blank here, so meaning that there's a no full text for the reference. So you have to download or you can find by using and okay. Okay, so how to import the reference from the by using EndNotes? Okay, let me just share the end, my EndNote how to do. Okay, I think you can refer my PowerPoint slide. Wait, okay, I share my EndNote. Okay, so this is if you want to import the reference from the online database. Okay, one method is you can use the endnotes. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, you click this symbol or online search mode, right? And then you can choose actually PubMed or Web of Science Core. For more, you can click more. Okay, so for me, I just click this one, PubMed, right? PubMed, okay, and then you click choose. And this one you can select. Okay, you can choose all fields or authors. For example, this one I just insert all these keyword. Okay, and then you click search. See, so meaning that they can found 32 records. So let's see the list. See, so all these 32. Okay, so from this one, okay, you can create the custom group. Okay, so how to create the custom group? Okay, you can select this one. For example, I just select first microwave policies, this one. Okay, and then we can click this one. Where's this one? This one. Copy to local library. Okay. Okay. So once you copy to the local library, you can see. Just click local library. Okay. And then you can see this one. Okay. So this is the one that we search by using PubMed. Okay. So just you can create the group here. Okay. This one the if you want to create the new group, so you just create the group or create smart group or any group. Okay, based on the keywords. Okay. So for example, this one is for microwave pyrolysis. So I just transfer to the microwave pyrolysis. So you can see this is the reference that I already transferred from the copy reference, okay, to my folder. Okay, okay, okay. So this is one method by using EndNote. How to get the reference? Okay, by using EndNote. How about to capture the literature information from the database? Okay. So if you want to capture the literature from the database, okay. For examples, this one. Let me stop this one. Okay. So this is the example of the database. I'm using a PubMed. You can choose a PubMed, ScienceDirect, Scopus, and so on. Okay. Actually, a different database will have different ways of selecting reference and preparing them for to export. Okay. If you want to export to the EndNotes or Mendeley, okay, so different database is going to be different. Okay. For example, if using PubMed, this one you have to click send to. Okay, and then citation manager create file. Okay, but first you have to select which file that you want to export. Okay, and then you can this one will pop up. Okay, and then just select EndNotes. Okay, this one is from PubMed. How about okay, this one is after after we export to the EndNotes. Okay, so this one we can see here is imported reference, and then you can transfer to the the groups. Okay, my group. So for the Web of Science, similarly also, okay, Web of Science, just click on the this one, save to the EndNote lines or desktop. Okay, it's different ones. Okay, just click and then you can save. Okay, so this one is for the Scopus. Okay, for the Scopus, you have to click export. But firstly, you have to tick which file that you want to select. Okay, or you can select all, and then it's going to be export to the EndNotes. Okay, so you have to select this one. For the Scopus, either you want to use Mendeley, RefWorks, okay, RIS, CFB actually is the Excel files is informations such as you want to have a list of the authors, years, okay. This one is just information, okay. Generally, we will choose only, this one is BibTeX. BibTeX I think is for the reference manager also, and not reference manager, RefWorks as well as Mendeley. And then you just click export, okay. So this is for the Scopus. And for the Sans also similar. Just click export. Okay. So you can for the EndNotes export citation to RIS. Okay, this one is for the for the EndNotes. Okay, RefWorks is for the RefWorks. I think for Mendeley also RIS. Okay. Okay. Any question about that one? How to capture the how to get the literature information from the database? Hmm? Ada soalan tak? Is it clear? If no
Yeah.
question, if no question, we can continue. Okay. Okay. How can we record and find full text? Okay, because mostly once you export from the database, it's not the full text is not included. Okay, whether you have to find the by using EndNotes, or you can um, upload manually. Okay. Okay. So for this one, for example, okay, you have this for example this one. Okay, I just using the end. I think I have to share screen. Sharing the end. Okay. So if you want to find the full text, okay, for example this one, okay, this one is already how to say, already download, okay, the full text. Okay, for example this one, the one we search from the by using the EndNotes. Okay, I just copy this one. and then there's this copy, and then click this one. Is it there's a this is copy reference, right? Okay, just select. Okay, if you want to select all, or you can choose one or two, and then you click this one, find full text. Okay, so let's see, is it found or not? You can see here the status. Okay, so we can found one, this one, Batoli. This one we can found the full text. So there's a icon, this one, right? Icon, paperclip icon. So meaning that they have a full text. This one, no, full text. See? Okay, so you can expand. So this is the full text. Okay, so you can read. It's similarly like a PDF file. So you can highlight. Okay, you can rotate. Okay, and you can put a note. Okay, so this is so mostly there's a no full reference. So meaning that you have to download from the journal database, and then you have to download manually. You have to upload manually. Okay. Okay. So how to upload manually? Okay. For examples, this journal. Okay. So for examples, I have this file journal. Okay. For examples, so just drag to this one. Okay. So just drag that file. So meaning that this one already have full text. Okay. So easy. This is the first method. Second method, okay, you can click here. Okay, you can click. Okay, this one is after you download. Okay, after you download the full text from the maybe Sign Direct or Scopus. Okay, and then you can select the any files. Okay, the file that you already download. So it's also, you can see the paperclip icon here. Okay, so there's a two method. Okay, you can drag as well as you can upload by clicking the paperclip icon. Okay. Okay, so this is a two method. How can we insert a reference in the text? This one is only for to manage the reference. Okay, how can we insert the reference in the text? Okay, so how can we insert reference in the text? Okay, if you look at here, if you open the Word file, okay, once you open the Word files, okay, you can see once you install, there is a here on top of the Word files, there is a icons for the endnotes. Okay, for example, this one's this file. Okay, can you see the Word file? Right. So asal saya tak boleh klik ni? This one. Sekejap ah. Komputer saya jadi slow lah. Banyak buka sangat. Okay, so this one is my paper. Okay, so just click on the end note. Okay, here. Okay, and then you can maybe we put the cursor here and go to end note. Click go to end notes. Which reference that you want to cite? Okay, for example, this one, right? Okay, and then you can click insert this one, insert citation. Okay, so let's see, we wait, it's gonna be update. Okay, so this is the, let me choose a different output. Okay, sorry. Okay, Harvard, masa lah. Okay, so can see, yeah, we cited the reference also. Okay, if you want to choose a different styles, for examples, which one? Journal of Catalysis, APA, apa? Okay, for example, Journal Catalysis. And then you have to click. Uh, okay, and then you click Update Citation and Bibliography. If not automatically change, you just click Update Citation and Bibliography. Okay, so it can be, it become numbering here. Okay. The previous one is the format is a Harvard format. This one is journal catalysis. Okay, different journals is going to be different format of reference, cited in text or in the list of reference. Okay, also actually you can insert like this one. Okay, insert citation. Okay, you just click this one and you know the author. For example, this one Salema. Just click Salema. This one is the reference, or you want to put more than 2 reference. Okay, all. Where's the reference? This one. See, it's already. So if you look at here, it's automatically also available in your list of reference. Okay, if you change the reference also, it's going to be automatically changed. Okay, so in terms of the formats, you can choose. Okay, you can choose here. Okay, if you want to in terms of number, okay, or UTM format is actually is not available here, so uh, you have to set by yourself. Okay, so this one also you can edit. Okay, for examples, edit and manage a citation. For examples, you want to remove one, so just click remove. Or this one you want to put a page number 86. Also possible. Okay, see, it's already updated. Okay, and then the number of reference become 3. Okay, okay, so that's how you cite a reference in the text. Okay, any question about this one? It's easy, right? Is okay, so let's see how can we manage the output styles. Okay, maybe you want to some format is or style is not available, so you have to use like a UTM format, right? It's not available in the in any websites, so you have to set manually. Okay, you have to manage manually. So how can you set the output styles? Okay, first you have to click edit, this one, and then output style. Okay, generally for me, I just click any journal and then you can edit journal catalysis, something like that, right? Okay, or you can go to edit output, output styles, and then open style manager. Okay, so this one you can see you can preview all the formats, all the output style. This one, just click this one, style or info preview. So if you look at here, this one in terms of numbering, if we use how is it, apa, this one, see. So this is the format. How about the Harvard? Okay, for the Harvard's, where is H, Harvard styles. So this is the Harvard. Okay, different one. Okay, so you can see the style by click in the style info or preview. Okay, so just click edit, output style, and then what is it, if you want to make a new output styles. Okay, for me I just click this one, output styles is already available AEJ, so I just edit AEJ and then click on the templates, bibliography, and click template. So if you want to insert maybe in term of what is it, book already available, this one is book, right? So if you want to remove books, just click remove, this one you can remove. Okay, so and then if you want what is it, magazine, see this one. Okay, so you can auto, what else, title, or you can insert field here. For example, that this one is manually. Okay, or you can insert here auto, outer volumes, no need volume. Okay, and then what else, titles. Okay, comma, what else, volumes. Okay, issue, issue. Okay, maybe publisher, you can add, is it any publisher? Oh yes, publisher, and yeah, so you can file save as PSM1 seminar. So if you want to use these styles, okay, just go towards, okay, choose this output style. Okay, here. So you can select another style. This one, right? Okay, just click that one. Okay, any questions about how to cite the reference in the text, as well as how to manage the reference? Any question? Is it clear? Are you familiar with this reference manager? Ada soalan tak? For now, this is our first time. Okay, it's okay. So you can download from the e-learning the PowerPoint slide. You can follow step by step. You will uploading the recording. Yes, I will upload. Okay, no, because this recording also important. I have to give to the space student also. Okay. Okay. So if you have no questions, let's we move. It's already, this one already explained. Which one? You see my PowerPoint slide, right? This one. Okay. Okay, if you want to use Mendeley, EasyBib, Papers, or BibDesk, is up to you. But for me, my student, I will ask them to what is it? Uh, Install DN. Okay. Okay. So let's see the reference, okay, for the thesis and general technology. Okay, this one I'm not gonna go through in details. Okay, you can download the UTM thesis manuals, and you can check the formats. Generally is either is, I think it's not numbering. It's mostly APA reference list. Is the APA reference list. I think it's using the APA. Okay, it started with the authors names. Okay, the titles, as well as okay, this one is for books in with two authors. Maybe for journals is the authors names, the titles, the journals names. No, the authors, the years, and then the title, and then journal name, volume, issues, as well as page number. This one is for the journals, how you cite it. But for books, you just follow this one. There's many types uh, uh, how to cite the books. There's a chapter in books. There's a books. Okay, you have to follow the formats. Okay, and this one is for the general technology. You gonna what is it? For the journals, maybe for in the PSM2, you will write these journals. Okay, it's just for like it's compulsory actually. It's compulsory. Okay. It's like a training for you if you continue with the postgraduate study. Okay, journals is important. Okay, but this one I will explain later in PSM2. Okay, and the format is if you look at here, we use a numbering. Okay, so different journals is going to be different formats. Okay, it's something like you use them what um, credit card, right? There's a Visa, Mastercard. Okay, iron credits, okay, something like that. Different is like a different company. Okay, it's gonna be different type of a different publisher, also different. Same, even the similar publisher is gonna be a different format because one publisher they have many type of journals, so it's gonna be many type of many type of journal formats. Okay, like ACS is gonna be different with the uh, Journal of Analytical Paralysis. Okay, and what else? Any journals. Okay, so even in the list of references, we use a numbering. Okay, I'm not sure in terms of DOI number. I think so is we did not include. This is the old one, or I think the old format. The new format, I'm not sure. You can check later. Okay, so let's see the annotated bibliography. I think you are waiting for the annotated bibliography, how to write this annotated bibliography. Okay, so annotated bibliography is like your opinions. Okay, after you read the journals. Okay, maybe something you want to critique that journals. Okay, is a critical or explanatory notes, something like that, because it's a really almost similar like a abstract, but it's different. Okay, we not write even for anatomy, it's just a one page. Okay, sometimes it's just 8 lines of sentence. Okay, and then you will include 8 to 10. I think maximum is 10. Okay, 10 lines. Okay, this will include your comments, your critics, your voice about the what is it about the paper. Is it good or not? Is it related with your study? Everything, so you have to write there. Okay, within 8 to 10 sentence. Okay, it's not very long. And then in term of format, maybe I will explain later, is the double spacing. Okay, so what we use is we use the format of the citation is APA citation. Okay, so it started with the author's name. Okay, this is the APA citation, and then together with annotations is annotated bibliography. Okay, so this is what the meaning, and this is the meaning of the annotated bibliography. Okay, critical or explanatory notes. This one is annotated bibliography is list of source. Okay, so meaning list of source, the upper citation. Annotation is the summary, your summary. Okay, what do you understand about the paper? Okay, this is what we call is annotated bibliography. Okay, so this is the example. Okay, annotated bibliography. The upper side is the full upper citation. You remember this one? If you want to write this one by using the endnotes, you can set by using endnotes just upper styles. This is the list of reference. Okay, including authors' names, years, titles. This one is journal names, volumes, page number, when is you retrieve. Okay, okay, or maybe this one is also not really important. This one generally is a single indent. Okay, this one is gonna be double indent. Okay, so a little bit like this one is another paragraph, right? Okay, so you have to remember the format. So if you look at here, as I told you, right, this one, I think if you want to set this one, so you have to go to the where this one is hanging hanging 0.5. Okay, this one is gonna be paragraph 0.5 inch. This one is 0. Okay, this one is 1 inch, 1 inch double indent. Okay, you can set. Okay, this is what we call this annotation. See how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost. Okay, 9 to 10, 8 to 10. Okay, so generally this we divide it into 3. Okay, this one is gonna be the summary of your paper, and then some evaluation. This one to two sentence, as well as this one is the reflection. I did not realize that bullying is the third leading. See the reflection, your comment. Okay, this is the annotated bibliography. Okay, so what is annotation? Is not just a summary, critical evaluation, relevance, accuracy, and the quality. See, includes your own voice, the comments. What do you think about that paper? Is it really related with your study? Okay. Uh, maybe you said that the authors is you you know very well with the authors. Okay, with the research group. Okay, even if my area like I'm studying about the paralysis uh, from the other countries, I know the group that doing the paralysis. Okay, something like that. Okay. So annotation components, it should include summary. This is what I already explained. Evaluation as well as a reflection. Okay, what is the summary? If you look at here, that 2 to 4 sentence long. Okay, maybe 4 or 5, something like that. Okay, this is the summary after you read the journals. Okay, what the main arguments, topic they cover. How would you describe the source, the resource to someone else? Okay, this is what you have to ask yourself. Okay, what you want to write as a summary. Okay, maybe like you study about the what is it, the combustion of biomass. Okay, what the main argument about the combustion with the pyrolysis. Okay, okay, and then what topics are covered in terms of combustion of biomass. Okay, what is the topics? Okay, you can describe. Okay, this is the examples just now. So the red, the one, the color, this red color is the annotations. Okay, the summary, which is about how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay, about 5 lines. It's not really long. Okay, okay, and then doctor, is it can be more than 4 sentence? Yes, actually is not really 4 sentence. You can be 4 or 6, but do not make it your annotated bibliography more than one page. Okay, if more than one page is not already annotated bibliography. It's just like a summary. Okay, everything is there. Okay, not really 4 sentence. Okay, you can be 4, 5, or 6. I think even 4 to 5, 6 is already quite long summary. Okay, but just make sure your annotated bibliography is uh, 1 page. Okay, and in terms of margin also I will explain later. Okay, just limit into 1 page. It doesn't matter. Okay. So in general, just 1 page annotated bibliography. Okay. Does it answer your questions? Who's this? Nisha?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. So in terms of evaluation is 5W. Okay. Who, what, when, where, why. Okay. Who is the author? If you know the author, like maybe you know well about the authors, right? So you can write down. Okay. You can include. It doesn't matter. Okay. When was it published? If one, okay, where was published? Actually, it's not really this one about the evaluation. It's not really this. What is it? This criteria. Okay, evaluation is about the in term of uh, for examples, is it the something like the publication is when? Is it within 5 years? 5 years is a new publication. If more than 5 years is a old publication. It's 20 years. Okay, because you have to cite uh, within 5 years of reference actually. Okay, because research is always updated, right? You can write down. Okay, as annotated bibliography. This is evaluation. So this is an example, right? The authors of this article are university professors. See, it's include who have provided many statistics throughout making this readable articles. Okay, for example, for me in paralysis, I know this country like in China, there's a one professor who publish a lot of paper in term of paralysis of biomass. Okay, so you can is a well-known professors. And he study maybe another professor study about the fundamentals. So you can write down. That's the in term of evaluations. And then the last part is the reflection, 1 or 2 sentences long. Reflection is something, after I read this paper, I think it's really related with my study and more information that I can get from this paper is so helpful, right? It's just about your comment, okay? Ask yourself. Is it, I know the scope of my study after I read this paper, okay? And something like that. Did I like this source? Okay, right? So it's something like it's come from your heart, okay? What you want to write. It's just a reflection after you write the paper. Because good paper doesn't mean a long paper is a good paper, okay? Even last time when I did my study, make it a short paper. Short paper is much easier for the readers to understand. Okay, but mostly my paper is very long. Okay. Okay, so this is the examples. The green one, this article was more informative than the others I read. See, is comparison with the other article that you have read. I did not realize that bullying is the third leading cause of suicide among young people, or that girls were twice as likely to be cyberbullies. Okay, even yeah, this is about your opinions. Okay, maybe in terms of bullying, you can compare in terms of cyberbullies or anything else. Okay, about your study, you can compare with other study. Okay, is it clear about what is the content for the annotated bibliography? Any questions? I think so. You don't have to worry. I will upload this video later. Okay, clear. Okay. Okay, so this is the format. Okay, 1 inch margins. So awak kena ingat lah, double spacing. Okay. The author memang Sat je. Apa Sat tu? Sat ni apa? Zilhalawani. Zilhalawani. Sat ni apa Sat? Satu je ke? Because bukan satu je author ni. The author is not only one. Okay, this one is generally, if you write the articles, the corresponding author is going to be the if you find in the journal, on top of the journals for the affiliation, you can see star here. Okay, this is the corresponding author, meaning that the owner of the owner of, not the owner of the journals, okay, he's the expertise of these journals, okay. Okay, the author, there's many authors. Generally, this will be your their student, okay, the researcher, another researcher. But you know, generally you know this the author. They have a asterisk here on top of the, for example, which one? Author tu tak semestinya satu lah, okay. Author is not only one. It can be many authors, okay, because they work together, right? Mana jen? Do you know meaning of the corresponding author? Okay, corresponding author is something like the expertise lah, the professor, the supervisor. Okay, which one lah? Oh, saya tak ada jurnal. Saya ada. Ya, saya check. Okay, for example, this one from my paper. Keluar pula. Sekejap eh. Oh, tak keluar. Nanti saya tunggu dia keluar lah. Okay. Uh, okay. So nanti saya explain. Okay. So this doesn't mean it's only one author. Okay. They have many authors, right? Okay, this one. Okay, can you see this here? So meaning that there's the asterisk right here. This is the expertise, the one who contribute the idea, the supervisor. Okay, this is my supervisor. So you know, he's the owner of the laboratory. Okay, the professor. Okay, so meaning that the research group name is a Kawamoto groups. Okay, even my group last time is this is my boss. Okay, Saka group. Okay, you know very well about the authors. Okay, so this one so Kawamoto group is going to be I'm very Kawamoto group is a very well known group who study about the fundamental of the pyrolysis, something like that. Okay, this is the corresponding author, the owner. Okay, about this study. Okay. Okay, so formattings, please remember this one, indent to spaces. Okay, just make it just set in the word files, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so this is the last slide, I think. Yeah. Okay, this is a citation, upper styles. Okay, please remember, please include the what is it? All the authors, journals names, and then this is the summary annotations. Okay, the summary. Okay, this is the green one, and then this is the evaluations. Okay, see, one or two sentence. This one is just for the what is it? The reflection. Okay, so if you want to know more about the annotated bibliography, you can visit this website actually. Okay, so any questions about the annotated bibliography? Tak ada. Is it clear? Okay, just make sure your annotated bibliography 1 page. That's all. Not more than 1 page. If more than 1 page is not annotated already.
Doctor,
The shortest, yeah,
mean that 1 page for one journal?
yeah, 1 page for one journal. Annotated is for one journal. It's like the abstract.
Okay.
Okay. Ada lagi? Double spacing double this one format. It's different with the abstracts. Okay. Don't take the abstract of the journal and then you copy and paste. That is we call it all as a plagiarism. Okay, how I can check the plagiarism even I don't use the plagiarisms software. Okay. How can we know plagiarism? Something like you cite the secondary reference, not the primary. Okay. What else? More than the similarity, more than 6 words. Also, it's plagiarism. Okay. But we can check by using Ternitins. I have the Ternitins. Turnitin is just similarity. Okay, plagiarism is a many type of plagiarism. So kena ada minimum 10 annotated year. You have 10 journals, meaning that 10 annotated bibliography. Okay, definitely. I think it's important that the annotated words so that you can understand that you read the paper. How to read the paper for me? Generally, I will for me lah. Because sometimes as a researcher we have no time to read the paper. Okay, I just read. Mostly I will read in detail when I want to write the paper. But in terms of during the research or finding the what is it the method, first thing I just read the abstracts. Is it related with my research? And then I'm gonna see the flow of the figure and table. The flow of the figure and then read the conclusions. So if not related with your study, you don't have to read that paper. Okay. So just find another paper. If really you are related with your study or your research work, you can read in details. Okay. Okay. Generally, I will just read the abstracts. Is it really important? And then see the figure. Figure to see the trendings and then some methodology is to see how to analyze for example your products, your how to do the experiment. Even like just now I conduct the experiment on the what is it microwave process unit to produce the biochar. So I just read, oh, this is really important. So I just read the method, what is the parameter is important, what is the research gap. Okay. And then if really later I just and then we can read in detail. Later how to extract the information from the journal and how to summarize them. How to extract. Actually you have to read more. It's quite difficult. I have no idea of how to say how to say for me it's based on the experience actually. uh, it's based on the experience. Even last time when the first time I did my research work, it's really hard to write the paper. Okay, that's why I told you read a lot. Okay, read a lot so you cannot to extract the the flow is similar. The flow, if you read the journals, if introduction, you can see first paragraph is going to be introduction. Second, third, and fourth is going to be there's a uh, the last sentence of each paragraph is going to be like a research gap. Okay, meaning that is going to be the objective of that paper, and then the last paragraph of the in the introduction part is going to be it will is really is exactly the what is it the objective. Okay, you will know the flow, and then this is my experience. in terms of methodology, okay, and then subsection, first subsection is going to be if you study about the like for me like biomass is going to be materials, and then the procedure, and then after the procedure to do the experiment is going to be the analysis of the products. That's going to be the flow. Okay, and then in terms of result and discussion, in terms result and discussion is going to be for example some flow is going to be the characterization of the sample. Okay, it's going to discuss about the characterization of sample. Okay, what else? Generally they will explain the result first and then some discussion, result first and then discussion. That's the flow. You can extract that information. It's based on the expert. Okay, okay, is it okay, Ramesh? The most important thing, you read the abstracts and the conclusion. For me lah, abstracts, the figure, tables, and then conclusion. Okay. How to use UTM VPN? I'm not sure for the student they have student VPN or not. For me last time, yeah. If you go to UTM library, the online database, online database. Okay, wait, okay. Sekejap Okay. Asal tak boleh ni tab ah. Sekejap database library. Boleh pergi ni tak? UTM online database library tak? Library. UTM library, you click UTM library. And then, okay, this one. UTM library. Alamak, barulah. Mana kat mana? E-resources. Okay, you visit the UTM library and then click e-resources. Siapa dia?
Tinder mute please.
Okay, UTM library. Okay, you click this UTM library. Alamak, saya punya slow lah. Kalau you once you click the UTM library, on top of that website you can see resources, right? And then you find the online database, e-journal, and ebook A to Z listing. Okay. So once you click, they ask you to log in using ACID password. Okay, username and password. I'm not sure you can log in or not. Okay, but for me I can log in. This one. Okay. Okay, we almost finished. Okay. Sorry, slow lah. Kena upgrade ke SSD card rasanya saya punya RAM. Nampak tak? Tak bergerak ah. Okay, this one, e-resources. Then you click online database. I'm not sure you are possible or not. This one, UTM ID and password. For me, I just using, but it should be outside of UTM. So I just insert my username and password so I can log in. Okay, or so before I can log in. Yes, everyone can log in. See. Doctor, minimum how many journals have to search for PSM? There's no minimum. For PSM, for me, the more you read is much better. Okay, it should be more than 20 lah, 20 to 40. Okay, because you want to do the literature review. Literature review is required a lot of readings and review all the many journals. So if only 10, I don't think is reliable for the literature review. So I would like to suggest maybe 20 to 40 lah. Okay. I tried before, I can log in. Yes, Afifah. Okay, Afifah can log in. Okay, any more? Oh, now the last one. Can we cite other than journal articles such as book section? Yes, book section can, meaning that is a chapter in book. But I'm not, I will like, I will, I'm not recommend you to cite the website because it's gonna be, how to say, at a certain time the website is gonna be disappear. It's not be available anymore. Okay, but if no choice, you can cite. Okay. But for Wikipedia, I don't think you can cite that one lah. No need lah. Okay. But I would like to suggest is journal, chapter in book, okay, magazine. There's the author there. Okay. Okay. Any more? Okay. So if no more questions, we ends our seminar. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Later I will upload this.